body positioning is essential in almost every calisthenics exercise, from muscle-ups to handstands, front levers, and more. This 5-minute follow-along routine will give you all the progressions you need from beginner to advanced so that you can lay a solid foundation for core stability. Feel free to regress as the hold goes on. We're going to be holding these for a minute a piece, so this is something that you can do as a warm-up every day or every other day. And if you need to, pause the video and take a break. Ready for the form breakdown? Let's go. Please pause the video just to go over some of these form cues. Don't worry, you're not going to need to memorize all these. I'll give you some cues during the hold, but just to kind of get them in the back of your head and be able to remember some of them. All right, let's go. Okay, here we go. The first regression is going to be like a straddle. The second easiest is a single leg. The third is going to be a knee tuck. And the fourth is going to be hand assist. It could be knee tuck or straight leg. Now, just a couple cues that I want you to remember. Keeping your core flexed inwards and your lower back on the ground at all times. I'll shut up now. Ten seconds left. Okay, the next one is going to be a hollow body side plank. Now, the first regression is just going to be lowering that top leg. The second regression is going to be dropping to your arm and just doing a standard side plank. Now, the cues with this one are to remember to point your toe, flex through your calf, your quad, all the way through your leg, and try and keep yourself aligned. Ten seconds left. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. And if you're like me, when you're learning a new exercise, remember to breathe. Ten seconds left. Now this next one's just going to be like a standard plank, but maintaining that hollow position, straight back, posterior pelvic tilt. The first regression is straight arm. The second regression is straight arm knees. The third regression is bent arm knees. 10 seconds left. Okay, good job. The next one is the Superman hold. Now, the regression for this one is just to be tucking your arms back a little bit. You could even put your legs down as a second regression, but the cues to keep in mind with this one is as you're reaching forward, obviously you want to keep that torso up as high as possible, chest loud and proud, but you want to engage the lower trap without the assistance of your upper trap. Ten seconds left. Hey guys, if you like this follow along hollow body routine, I got another follow along workout right here, a push-up challenge that I think you might struggle with. Let me know how it goes. And if you're currently struggling with injuries, check out this video next. Later guys.